Greetings on the eve of International Yoga Day. Yoga has become extremely popular world over as a remedy for the better living and health. Better health. But I want to emphasize that if you want full benefit of the yoga and pranayam, then we have to clean the environment, that is the water, the air that we breathe, and the food that we eat. Everything is perverted and malicious. In such environment, yoga will deliver not that good result. Thus, if we have to improve, get full benefit of yoga, we must try to clean up environment, water, and create good food free of pesticide and other chemicals. Thank you.